And here we go. Oh boy, almost crashed the fuck. Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing another speed test, but we're going to be testing this CINEWHOOP from iFlight. This is the iFlight ProTek 35 with a 1550 milliamp hour 4S battery. We got the GoPro Hero9. The wind today is about 7 miles per hour to 17 mile per hour gust towards the ocean here. We'll also fly it around a little slowly to just kind of see how a CINEWHOOP flies and what speeds it's flying at. We'll probably be flying sideways in order to fly it straight. Let's get this started. Down the end of the field. Here's my buddy taking some shots here as well. Oh man, the wind. So right now we're flying into the wind. I'm gonna turn around here, we'll do a speed test down with the wind. Just line up with him. Oh man, really fighting the wind. Go. I'm gonna see if I can go through this. I don't think I will be able to with the wind though. Not even full throttle. I didn't get the stick all the way up, but we'll do one more down the wind here. My battery's a little low, so we'll do real quick and over him. And here we go.